Hey guys, welcome back to Bad Decisions with Mary, except for I asked my mom this time. You can probably already tell what's happening because of the title of this video. Yeah, I asked my mom because I'm scared of needles and I don't know if I'd make it re-piercing myself, so. My mom's insisting we just push the earring back through, but the piercing is old. See, I don't know if you guys can see it because I can't see the side of my head, but I have 3 piercings on this ear and one of them closed, and I'm trying to reopen it. Last time I tried, I almost passed out, but I was doing it myself, and I know my pain limits, and something just needs to go through there, so this is probably a bad idea. This is why it's Bad Decisions with Mary, but you know what? Oh well. Okay, quick disclaimer before you watch the next part of this video. I do not suggest doing what I'm doing if you pierce your ears at home. I just push the earring back through my ear, which isn't the safest way to do it, especially because it's not a starter earring, so it wasn't sharp. But the thing is, my ear has been pierced before, so I said I was piercing it. Technically, it is piercing it again. It's pushing it through skin. But I had my ear pierced before, so it wasn't like if I took, if I don't have my second lobe pierced here, my second lobe, yeah, you guys know what I mean. I don't have a second lobe piercing here, so it'd be like me taking an earring and pushing it through that. That'd not be a good idea. Use a needle, hold it under a flame for a little bit, sterilize it with hydrogen peroxide or rubbing alcohol, sterilize your ear, wash your hands, and sterilize. A starter earring would be best. And then take something that you can push a needle through and put that on the back of your ear. Mark with a marker or a pen where you'd like your earring to go. And then put the needle there and just push it through as fast as you can. Have the earring ready to go. As you pull the needle through, put the earring in. And then put the backing on, making sure everything's sterilized, your ear sterilized, the needle sterilized, the earring sterilized. And don't do what I did. I did clean everything. I do admit that I did clean everything, but my piercing was already kind of there. There was just a couple layers of skin that had closed off, so it wasn't really the same as getting a fresh piercing. Oh boy. Honestly, rather a needle go through my ear.
Okay, turn around so I can see the light.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, I know what to do.
Oh my gosh.
Turn around, please.
What are you doing?
She's gonna pull it to the back. Get the back open.
Don't know what that's gonna do because it's been closed for forever. Break my skin, maybe. This would be much easier if I had bigger needles.
Follow it to clear CT with the needle coming. Load up the portable monitor. Call respiratory for a ventilator. I'll get x-rays while I'm down there.
Ah!
Well, both ends are open.
Oh.
It's just getting it through.
I remember this episode, Daisy.
1, 2.
Ow!
And
Oh, well, it's back through.
Dr. Burr's like, okay. He throws it in the sterilized bowl. I think you just kind of startled Dr. Burr, like, I'm actually listening in.
Okay, well that works, I guess. My ear is very irritated, so I'm not going to put my other earrings in and showcase them. But, ow. Ooh, okay. Let's hope my ear doesn't hate this earring. I was lucky enough that my nose didn't really give a crap about my nose ring, so my earring better be nice to me. I can't find the hole. I know it's open, but I can't find it for my cartilage piercing. Because I pretty much never wear it, because I just don't feel like it. Oh, this one's slightly close too. Hey, 2 piercings in one day. Except for this one's not as bad. It's all good. I'm just sticking the other one through right now. That one wasn't bad.
Air.
Yes, air.
Outside. If there's
Yeah.
an air leak or bubble, there'll be water going through.
And she thought.
That works.